Every worksheet is made up of thousands of rectangles, which are called cells. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. For example, I'm going to click on the cell number B2. How do I know am I on B2? It is the intersection of column B and row number 2, and the name box tells me I am in cell number B2. There is another term called columns. Columns are identified by the letters A, B, C, and so forth. There are more than 16,000 columns in Excel. Rows. These are the names assigned to each horizontal line in a spreadsheet on the left side. Rows are identified by the numbers 1, 2, 3. There are more than 1 million rows in Excel. There are a few mouse functions that needs to be noted for using Excel. The default pointer shape is a plus white sign, as you can see on the screen right now. There is another one, double-headed arrow with a line in the middle. It appears when the pointer is on the border, column, row, or the window. For example, if I point my mouse on the column area, right in the middle of any two columns, such as between A and B or B and C, my mouse turns into the double-headed arrow with a line in it. Once you have it, you can hold down your left mouse button and dragging it to the right will expand the width of the column. Dragging it to the left will do the other way. Another pointer is called I-beam. It appears when you are editing the contents of a cell. For example, if I wanted to edit the content of the cell number A2, I'm going to double click inside of the cell and my mouse pointer will be now I-beam. I can start typing to add or to delete using my backspace to edit that cell. One more sign is a plus white sign with arrow appears when you have a graphic that may be moved. This pointer also appears when you point to a border of a cell. For example, I'm going to point to cell number B2. If I move my mouse in any of the border, top, left, right, or the bottom, my mouse turns into the plus sign with the arrows with the arrow in the middle. If I point to any of the border, hold down my left mouse button and drag the mouse to any empty area, literally I am moving the content of the cell. This is going to be equivalent to cut and paste, cutting from one location and pasting in another location, which we will learn later on the course. I'm going to move it back to the original location. This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron-Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.